Hello guys, in today's video we are going to trade out hard drive space for RAM using Linux, something called swap space, and we'll get right into it. Hello guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. Okay, so in today's video, like I said before, we're going to use a software called Gparted to easily create a swap partition that will trade out hard drive space for RAM, and we're going to do that right now. Alright guys, so I'm using Debian, but this will work in any Linux distribution, and I'm going to show you how to get swap space. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the terminal. Use any terminal. Type in sudo apt get install gparted. Type in your password. Alright, so now that Gparted is installed, we're going to launch it. I already had Gparted installed, but normally that will install Gparted. Now you're going to enter your password again. And this will launch Gparted. It might take a minute to load. It might take 5 minutes to load. It kind of depends on how much partitions you have on there. I have like 7 or 8 partitions. I have a few different operating systems on here, but if you only have one system, it shouldn't take as long. Okay, so here we are. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make space. So say we're going to shrink this down just a little bit. So this yellow space right here, that's used up area. All this white space is free space in the partition. So I'm going to leave about 3.5 gigabytes left. Okay. And now, so I already have a little bit of swap over here, but I'm just going to make more. So now, what we're going to do, now that we made space for our swap, is now we're going to actually create it. So we're going to type new, just leave it how it is, and we're going to change the file system to Linux swap, add. And then click apply all operations, and apply. So after this, congrats, we now have swap, and we're going to check to make sure that it is actually working in just a minute. So you're just gonna wait for it to do that. It might take a while for it to shrink. Alright guys, so, and I'll get back after this. It should say all operations successfully completed if you did the right thing. Now this is not hurting any of your operating systems, hopefully. Now, see, you want to move it from the end. You want to move this end back here. What you don't want to do, you do not want to move this end up here. That could cause your operating system to fail. You want to, because that's moving all your data, and it will also take a long time. But since there's nothing here, it's really easy to shrink it. So you want to move it from here. Want to move it from this end. Alright guys, so that is how we do it, and now you can see, now we're gonna right click on it, the red one, Linux swap, and we're gonna click swap on. Okay. now we're gonna open up a terminal. Okay, now in the terminal we're gonna type in free-m. So now our memory, see, we have that. This is like our actual built-in RAM right here. We have 993 megabytes, which is about a gigabyte, and a third of it is being used. That much is being used. See, we only have like 340 megabytes for free. So, but see, our swap right here increases our RAM. See, we have, that gives us an extra 4 gigabytes of RAM, and only 151 megabytes of it are used, and we still have that much free. So it definitely boosts the speed of your computer, definitely gives you a lot more RAM. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, and we'll see you next time.